Hey, what's up guys? Josh Domsky here with a brand new cryptocurrency video for you. In this video I want to talk about Cabinhood, which is the world's first zero trading fees cryptocurrency exchange. It's a really well built exchange. Everything is lightning fast, which I'll get into a little bit more about that here in a second. And you can also get this on iPhone and Android apps. Okay, so let's get into the website here, which is Cabinhood.com. Okay, and as you can see, it looks really nice. I like how they have this ticker here. Okay, here's some of the features, which I was talking about just a couple of seconds ago. The high-performance order matching engine. Okay, the Cabinhood's proprietary order matching engine can process millions of orders with sub-millisecond latency. The whole system is designed to be fully distributed, highly available, and auto-scalable, achieving the ultimate trading experience for traders around the globe. And it is lightning fast. Okay, so the crypto assets deposits are secured. Cabinhood stores the vast majority of the crypto assets deposit in an offline multi-sig vault, which requires 5 out of 8 geo-distributed hardware security modules to open. Furthermore, crypto assets stored in online wallets will be backed by insurance, which that's really great in case something were to ever happen. And here is the zero trading fee cryptocurrency exchange. Cabinhood is the world's first zero trading fees cryptocurrency exchange with vision to maximize traders' profits. Traders now can enjoy zero trading fees for spot trading and margin trading up to 10x leverage. Okay, so let's get into some information about Cabinhood, and then we'll get into the exchange, and I'm actually going to show you how to buy the Cabinhood tokens. They do have their own tokens, and right now it's a perfect time to buy those tokens. Okay, so what is Cabinhood and what do they do? Cabinhood is a next-generation cryptocurrency exchange that solves the existing problems of current cryptocurrency exchanges. It provides spot trading and margin trading with zero fees to maximize profit and market liquidity. Cabinhood is not just a cryptocurrency exchange, it also provides ICO underwriting services to solve ICO token liquidity issues. Okay. And one of the biggest questions, the most popular questions out there, is how does Cabinhood earn revenue if we charge zero trading fees? Cabinhood collects 5% of the funding raised from the ICO as an underwriting service fee. After the ICO, our revenue comes from providing underwriting services for large ICO projects such as Filecoin or Kyber. This allows us to maintain our exchange and continue developing and improving our services. As the cryptocurrency and the ICO market grows, COB token holders may receive additional types of tokens. As a result, the market value of COB token may also rise. Okay, what is Cabinhood's underwriting service? Cabinhood's ICO underwriting program helps well-known enterprises, successful startup companies, and notable personalities launch their initial coin offering through various strategic services. These services could include technology development, legal assistance, public relations management, strategic marketing communications, advertising support, and immediate token listing after the ICO, which solves ICO tokens' low liquidity issue. Please duly note that Cabinhood only underwrites high-quality, promising ICOs that have passed stringent due diligence, smart contract code review, and legal compliance review by Cabinhood's dedicated ICO review team. If you are interested to launch your ICO with us, please refer to the link below and fill in the information needed as clearly and informative as possible. Due to the volume of ICO underwriting requests we receive, we may not be able to respond to it all, but we would typically reply within 5 to 7 business days. Okay, and one last one. What are the privileges of COB token holders? COB token holders are eligible for several privileges like 50% off margin trading loan interest can be availed when paid with COB tokens. COB token holders will be able to get future ICO tokens Cabinhood underwrites at significantly lower rates. Cabinhood will make efforts to maximize a COB token holder's benefits. There may be more privileges for COB token holders in the future. Okay, so that's definitely some good information to know. You can come and read some more questions like that. If you just come here to the website here, and then you can come into the FAQ section, okay? So what I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to deposit Bitcoin onto the exchange for a lot of the beginners out there who are not, quite sure how to do this type of stuff. And then I'm going to show you how to actually buy the COB token. Now, when you first come to Cabinhood, either on the desktop version here, or if you go and download the app, when you're setting up your account for the first time, you will get sent a verification email. So as soon as you're done filling out all of your information, you'll get sent that email. You just have to verify the link that's in the email there, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, now I recommend the very first thing that you do when you do get your account set up is set up your 2FA right away. So you come into your account here, you come to security, and you can either set it up with the Google Authenticator or you can set it up through SMS. Okay. Now for the standard level 1 account, there's no limit on deposits of crypto, but there is a limit of 3 Bitcoin for withdrawal. So I mean, that's actually a pretty decent level there for the withdrawals on the Bitcoin. A lot of them are only like 1, sometimes 2, so it's actually really good to see. But you can bump it up to 100 Bitcoin withdrawal, but I think you have to do all of your know your customer information. You probably have to upload your ID and stuff like that. So that's where you would do that here. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it as far as that information goes. You just click on this little menu over here, and that's how you can get to everything. There's the contact us, there's tutorials if you need help. There's also the help center. It's actually the FAQs where you'll find all that information that I was going over earlier. Okay, so let's come here to the funds. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and deposit Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look through all of the tokens that they do have here on Cabinhood. They do have a lot of the big name tokens, but they also have some that are not very popular. Because like I said, with the underwriting services, they do help startup companies, and they do help get a lot of the smaller cryptos to get going. Okay, so that's all the list of those. Let's come here to Bitcoin. This is how we're going to deposit our Bitcoin, and then I'm going to show you how to purchase the COB token. So all you got to do is come there into the funds, find Bitcoin, just click on copy address, can close that. I'm going to come here to my Exodus wallet, click on send, paste in the address, and I'm going to click on all. I got about 0.035, which is $352. And I can really tell that the Bitcoin network fees are really starting to go down. It's only $5.11 right now. I remember just a month or two ago, it was ridiculous, $30, $40. So it seems like the SegWit is really starting to kick in. Okay, so let's send that. Okay. Now as soon as this confirms, I'm going to go ahead and start up the video again. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick pause. Okay. Okay guys, so my Bitcoin just confirmed. It does take 6 confirmations until it does confirm. And then as soon as it's done, the estimated value will pop up right here automatically. And it'll also bring your Bitcoin to the top. So you do see your available balance right away. Now as I was waiting, I was able to come here and check the history. And it shows like 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, and that type of stuff in case you're wondering where it's at with the confirmations. Also, something that's really cool is the withdrawal address list. You can preset your withdrawal addresses. So I went ahead and set my Bitcoin. Now if I wanted to do my Ethereum, I'll show you how to do it now. I click on Ethereum. I'm going to go ahead and choose Exodus, because that's where I usually do my withdrawals to. So I'll come here and get my Ethereum address. Click on Receive. Copy that. Put that in here. Paste it. Click on Add. And then you do got to put in your 2FA, and you also have to activate it through your email, just to confirm that it is you that's doing that, which I kind of like the security on the website, as long as you do have your 2FA set up, which you should definitely always have it set up. Okay, so let's go ahead and double check everything. Oh, that's not the right one. There we go, that's the right one. Okay, so that's the right one there. Set up withdrawal address. That's the correct one. Okay, so it's kind of a long process just to add an address, but I really think that that's cool. That way it's just preset. That way when you come here to your funds and you want to click on withdraw, it's got your address preset right in there. Okay. So now we can go ahead and go to the exchange. Now if you want, you can just click on it. That's an instant button. It goes directly to the exchange. Whichever one was the last one that you were in, it'll go right to that one. Or you can come up here and you can select it this way. They got the Bitcoin and the Ethereum pairs, and also the US Tether. They used to have the actual real US dollar fiat when they first launched, but for some reason they had to take it down, and then that's when they switched to the US Tether. Okay, so they just got the Ethereum, the Cabinhood, and the Bitcoin for Tether. So let's come here to Bitcoin, go to COB, everything's in alphabetical order, and let's come here. Now before we do that, I just want to come to the coin market cap. Okay, let's do a refresh. The price is at 14 cents right now, which is a really good buy right now, definitely for a long-term hold. On this spike here, it hit like $2.50, something like that. But its peak over here was about 150 to 140. Okay. So as you can see, compared to 14 cents where it's at now, you know, this is definitely a good buy. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's come back over to this one. Okay, now you got your chart up here. You got your depth chart that you can switch to. Okay, which is really nice. I also got the time here. You can switch to 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, which is really nice. It's the worst when some exchanges only have like 1 hour as the lowest one. Okay, so that's really good here. And they got all your different candlestick options here. Okay, your RSI, if you use that. Okay, so let's get into it over here. They got the balance showing over here. They got trending up here. You got your favorites if you want to put a star next to one. So let's come up here. I'm going to use a limit sell, which is always best for the beginners, or a limit buy right now. You can do market if you would like to. Let's go ahead and do a limit. I just learned that these buttons are the max fills, okay, or the max fill, and then it sets the price here to the highest bid and the lowest ask, which is really nice. Or you can just come and click on them also. Okay, so since I'm buying, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the lowest ask right now. That way I get the best price. You can see it always changes. Click on 15.89. Now all I got to do is go ahead and click on the max amount that I could buy. That way it auto-fills. So if you're buying, you just want to come and click on the red dot to get the lowest ask, and then you can click on the green dot to get the max buy. And then of course, if you're going to be selling, you would do it opposite. You would click on the green button to get the highest bid, which is this, and then you would click on the red button. Okay. So let's go ahead and buy 2023 COB, and it went through right away. Okay, and as you can see, my balance was filled. And that's pretty much it, guys. Really fast exchange here. Definitely well built. The servers are really fast from what I can see. So, and it's not that popular yet, so there's not too many people flooding the exchange. But I definitely think that this will become more popular since it is no fees. I'm not sure why it hasn't become more popular yet, but I think it'll get there, especially as they continue to add more coins and tokens. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be doing some more videos on Cabinhood coming up, so be on the lookout for those. And go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me. And also, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'll continue to bring you some more Cabinhood videos. So thanks so much, guys. I appreciate everybody watching, and everybody take care.